us on YouTube. Watch TY38. Detail World, what it do, man. We done made it to the first stop out here in Green Hills, Bellmead, Nashville, Tennessee, man. About to work on this BMW 740i. About to work on the interior first. Then we're gonna get to the exterior of the car. But right now, we just got here. We late start. We had a few things, had a customer cancel because they got COVID. COVID seemed about ramp up. This is about the third, fourth customer that canceled this week due to COVID. And one of my customers just told me their daughter caught COVID from school. But like I say, first and foremost, I want to say rest in peace to all the victims in the shooting that happened in Tennessee. I know I didn't say that in the last few videos, but I've been, mine been everywhere, man. But one of the individuals, I actually met him a few times. He used to actually come out there and talk to me when I used to clean the cars. The older black gentleman who got killed. But you see the interior of the car, man. It's typical debris, the sticks, twigs, stuff like that. But I'm gonna go ahead and get it cracking, man. Like always, man. Start your day off great, man. Wake up, believe in yourself. You know, believe in yourself before you believe anything else. Put that phone down. You know what I mean? Start writing words of affirmation. Trying to get back in journal and a few other things. But I'm gonna go ahead and get it cracking, man. And I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Peace. Detail World, what it do, man. We finally got this BMW 740i completely clean. Got the car looking immaculate, car looks spiffy. Like always, man, we take so much pride in what we do over here, Yo Way Mobile Car Care Service. So on that note, you already know how that go. We want you to do whatever you doing and whatever you got your hands doing, just do it the best. Just try what you gotta do, man. Don't sit here and wait on somebody else to send you the right I don't know what the hell I'm talking about, so y'all excuse me. I'm sitting here listening to something in my ear to say. I haven't tried to talk, but y'all already know my motto, man. You gotta stick to the script. You gotta stay relentless, consistent, and persistent. You gotta remember that just being out here, just doing what you do on a daily basis is what's gonna help you achieve your goals in life, man. Never let nobody waver the way you feel about yourself. Remember, you are in control of what goes on in your life, and you can change any situation. Like this morning, had a little frustrated cry, was crying like a motherfucker, but it is what it is, man. It was needed. What was supposed to be said was said, and it is what it is. I feel a little bit better. But like I said, we done with this BMW 740i, man. And I'm gonna go ahead and head to the next spot, which is probably about 3 minutes from here. Hopefully she at home. We had to schedule for 1:30, but it's like 12:15. But we about to go ahead and get it cracking. I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Peace. Oh, hold on. I didn't even show y'all what the car look like in the inside. Let me give y'all a quick glimpse of the interior real quick. We got it looking good. Put the paper mat in. Oh, I just hit my stomach hard as hell. But we got the car looking good. Car looks great. If you remember, had debris everywhere, all on the seats, everywhere. But we got the car looking good. I know she's definitely gonna be happy and enthused with the work like always. But on that note, man, be courageous, man. And on that note, like always, man, peace. Detail World, what it do, man. We didn't finish this Subaru Outback. Got the car completely done. I didn't tire shine the tires. It's supposed to rain the next few days. You know how I do about that. If it's gonna rain, no reason putting any tire shine on those tires. But she cool with the car being cleaned and things and stuff like that. But we completely done here. About to head to our next stop. It's about 25 minutes from here. But on that note, like always, man, you do what you gotta do because you already know what we're gonna do, man. About to hop in this van, get on this interstate, drive, get there. But on that note, like always, man, if you in Nashville, you need a detailer, hit us up, man. And I'm gonna catch you in a minute. Peace. Detail World, what it do, man. We didn't finish this third car today, which is this Audi Q8, man. We done already got it completely done in and out. I know I didn't show you any shots before, but I'm trying to get both of them done. It's already 4 o'clock. I'm trying to be home at least about 5:36. I'm not trying to be out here all day, but you know, working by yourself, it take a little bit more longer to do the cars. And you know how I work anyway. I always want to make sure the job is done sufficiently enough so I can continuously get repeat customers and things like that to build the company up. But the car already look good. I'll give you a quick glimpse of the interior real quick. You look at the wheels. These wheels be having heavy brake dust. As you see, they got them Bembro brakes. You know, but you see the interior of the car. Looks good here. No debris, no nothing. Seats came out well. Cup holder, monitor, everything wiped down thoroughly. You need to keep his dogs in his car, so it's always dog hair here. But I'm finna go ahead and start on the other car they got over there for me. But you already know how that goes. So on the next one, man, I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Like always, stay dedicated, and I'll catch you later. Peace. Detail World, what it do, man. We working on this last car today, which is this Lexus GX 460. It's a beautiful car, love them. You know what I mean? But first we're gonna have to work on this exterior while the sun is shining.
It would turn into sunshine.
But yeah, we're gonna take advantage of that. But the car's not that bad. Well, it is a little dirty in the interior. Give me a little shot of it. Show you what it look like. And you see it got dog hair. You know what I mean? You see it got that dog hair and things like that. So we definitely have to get back here in the back. Detail world, what it do, man. And I say I'm thirsty, my throat is dry, but we didn't finish this last car today, which is this Lexus GX 460. We got it completely done. I'll go ahead and pull this car in the garage, pull this into the driveway, and we heading home. So on that note, man, today was a glorious day. Like I said, I'm always happy that I get consistent work. It's a blessing, you know what I mean? So you know how that goes. So I try to always tell y'all, man, so no matter what you're doing in life, man, no matter what you're doing, man, make sure you take pride in it, man, because you never know. There's other people out here don't have the opportunities that you may have. So, on that note, hold on, let me fix this, man. Yeah, you know, just gotta take so much pride in whatever you do, man, no matter what it is. You just gotta just know whatever you're doing gonna work for you. You know what I mean? And you gotta believe that it worked for you. You can't have that notion like, oh man, this ain't gonna work because it didn't work for somebody else or something like that. You gotta believe in whatever you're gonna believe in. And like always, man, one love. You know what I mean? We all need that love. You know what I mean? Because not all of us get the love that we deserve or get the love that we want. But like always, like I say, man, stay dedicated, man. Stay passionate about whatever you got passion for. You know what I mean? And like always, man, one love, look in the mirror, say I love thyself. You know, take that photo. Just do whatever you think you need to do to give you that admiration for self. And like always, man, peace. Cause I was on YouTube, watching TY 38.